First, unfold your spliced FMS track. Then make sure that the belt is straight and free of twists. Hold the exposed end of the belt while pulling the track away from it until the two pieces of track touch. Slide the base of the motor pulley housing onto the end of the track. Place the pulley's wheel inside the housing within the belt loop. Slide the fastener into the track. Place the motor pulley cover onto the base and slide the fastener into place. Secure the cover using the 4 included screws and the fastener. Finally, slide your splice into place and tighten the screws. Then your track is ready for installation.